Alright, hello. So this is gonna be a little bit of a different video, and here I'm going to show you how to make a prototype using Google Slides. As you can see from this video, I made a very simple prototype, and this is like the hard copy of the Catfish Connector prototype, and yeah, and let's see. As you can see, there are 5 features in the prototype, which are contact us, login, actually 6: login, sign up, messaging system, listing and products, and review and rating. And to put it into context, I will briefly summarize the each and one before we start the prototype. So for the contact us, it's basically the page where it's if you since this is a Catfish connector, uh, basically it's like a support system between the catfish and farmer. I forgot to tell you about what the Catfish connector is. So it's basically an app that helps farmers and distributors connect with each other, um, and to basically negotiate like prices, like ideally to make it like fair price in it. And the contact us is basically about if the distributor or farmer need any help with the apps and everything, they can just go to this page. And if it's the login, they they can register to the app. But first of all, they need to sign up first, and then after the sign up, it will take directly to the login. And after that, here's the messaging system, where this is the chat room between the farmer and the distributor. And also this is the listing and products, basically like what sort of products that they want to have being ordered, like, and also the list, the names of the product, including the cost. And this is the review and rating. So you leave like a review and rating so that future users of the app can also use the Catfish connector. So yeah, that's my brief summary. Now let's get into the slideshow. So if we go to here, contact us, it will direct you here. It will give you all of this, and it says reminder account, email, and everything. And if you want to go back, you can just click on the home icon, and after that you click sign up. And as you can see, there's username, email, and password. You just need to type it here, and then after that you can click sign up, and it will go to the sign in page. And it says email address and password. And then once you log in, it will take you to the messaging system as set. So let's say this is me, Shafan Sinifasan, and the icon is this one. This is me, and this is Samuel. And this is just talking about the price negotiation and everything. And you can type your message here and then send, and it will go. And then after that, it should take you to this page. And let's say this is the location. And in here you can edit your location, but this is just an example location. And Jalan Intan Kemuning Raya. And then if you tap here to edit your location, you can edit it here. It's Jalan Kemuning, and then additional notes, like if you want to add something. And this is just an example, and you can proceed. And then uh, your location has already been edited. And yeah, and it says if you want to order this, you can add to cart and order this and add to cart. Basically, we're not ordering food, okay? We're ordering like the because we're selling the catfish, right? Like this is catfish, this is gurame, and since this is in Indonesia, this is Indonesian, and the currency is like in rupiah, right? So once you add all of them to cart, you can just check out. And let's say this is an example. Like if once you've added the product, says ikan nila and then ikan mujair, and it's with the cost, and then you already add them to your cart, and it will give you the total this, and then delivery cost is this, and the grand total is 42. And you can click finalize order, and the order will be successful, and it says your product will arrive the next weekday at around 10 to 12 p.m. WIB. And once it's done, you can go back to main page, and finally you can just do the review and rating. So these are like other stars, like Samuel gives a 4 and I give a 5. And he says like, hi, I would like to say that the app is super amazing. Both the quality and the responsiveness of the distributor are really good. What can improve is the price of the overall app that it provides. And the app helps me a lot while talking with the farmer. Thank you so much for the app. I will never use another app, and I will spread the word. I would highly recommend it. So yeah, these are like the review ratings of an app. And yeah, so it's actually pretty simple, and it's pretty straightforward, and you can use this format maybe for your project prototype in the future. And yeah, this is the hard copy of the prototype. And hopefully by me giving you this tutorial, you are able to understand. And yeah, so I forgot to tell you, the icon is this, and a login is this, and the sign up is this, and the messaging system is this, and this one is this, and review rating is just this one. Oh, and also one more thing, once you log in, all the pages including messaging system has a home icon, and this one has a home icon to it. And check out home icon, home icon. So you can just click home, and then it will go back here. If in case like something happens like to the app. So yeah, hopefully it's understandable that you are able to make a prototype that is like this, for example. And of course, please don't forget to share this with your friends. And thank you guys for the video, and I'll see you around.